Talikod. Harap kayo doon. Talikod. Then, close your eyes. Close your eyes.
And close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Okay,
Pikit.
very good. Sige po.
Ayan, pikit. Bawal sumilip.
Okay, kids, no quickie. Ayan, close your eyes lang po. Close your eyes. Okay, bawal manilip. Okay, kids. Ayan, pati nga kung naka-close ang eyes. Okay, very good. Okay, kids, ang mechanics po ng game natin is kapag sinabi po ni Ate Cha na Max Scrabble Shoe Game starts now, all you need to do is find your shoes and wear it properly. Okay? Kailangan nyo pong hanapin ang pair ng shoes nyo at suotin po ito ng maayos. Kapag nasuot na po ng maayos, lalapit kayo sa amin ni Ate Dayan at sasabihin ang magic password na Happy Birthday, Athena. Okay? Nagigets ba ng kids? Okay,
Yes,
very good. Okay, for this game, kailangan lang po namin ng 5 winners only. Okay?
Alright.
Alright, mag-ready na yung kids natin. Okay, Max Scrabble Shoe Game starts now! Okay, find your shoes and wear it properly. Okay, we have one. Sino pa? Wear it properly. Kailangan po nakasuot. Suotin. Ang ganyan na. Two. Tatlo pa. Tatlo pa. Dali. Tatlo pa. Okay. Dali.
Okay.
Three. Four. And five. Ayan pang five si Kuya. Alright, congratulations. Asan po yung 5 winners? Picture taking po sa harap. Ayan yung 5 winners po. Picture po kayo dito. Together with Athena. Ayan, Ate Athena, come here. Picture taking po.
Picture taking. Alright, kids, picture taking kayo dito. Ayan, pakita niyo yung prize niyo.
Yeah, show your prize.
Dali.
Alright, ready.
Okay, ready.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile.
Wow, very good.
Alright.